Hello my dear students, it's your computer class and today we are going to start a new topic, that is Introduction to GIMP. A new software we are going to learn, that is called GIMP. Now let's have an introduction of image editing, which is a basic feature or basic property of GIMP, right? What is image editing? It includes resizing, adjusting. What adjusting? Brightness of your image, the contrast of your image, changing the colors of the images and adding different types of filters. I think all these you have already tried through various apps in your mobile phones, as we do a lot of editing in our images using various apps in the mobiles. But in computer system, GIMP is the software for doing the same things. Fine. Making changes to appearance of an image, that is image editing. Images are displayed on a computer screen on any digital device as a bitmap. This consists of a rectangular arrangement of small squares like pixels, which are arranged in rows. Means a new word, not for the computer technical terms. The images are always available in pixels. The image which will be having more pixels, the dense pixels, that will be of more good quality. Fine. And if the pixels are less, then definitely if we zoom that image, then that will become a blurred one. समझ रहे हैं? The good quality of the picture depends on the number of pixels. Every image has a resolution. More the number of pixels, better the quality of the image. The same thing I am saying. जितने ज़्यादा number of pixels आपकी image में होंगे, उतनी ही अच्छी quality आपकी image की होगी. Increasing resolution also increases the file size. Definitely जितनी अच्छी quality आपकी image की होगी, उतनी ही heavy आपकी image होगी. Means उतनी ही heavy resolution and as large the file size will be. Got it? Now a small intro of GIMP है क्या? Why we should use it? GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. You should know the full form. GNU Image Manipulation Program. It's a free open source image editing software. Means open source means which can easily be downloaded from the net, freely available, no license, no registration, no charges required for that. GIMP can be used as a simple paint program. जैसे हम paint use करते हैं, few features are matching with that also. The first version of GIMP is 0.54, which was released in 1996. It was written by Peter Metes and Spencer Kimball. Later, GIMP 1.0 was released in 1998. The latest stable version is 2.8, in which we will be working. Fine. GIMP uses only RGB or grayscale mode. It works in both the modes. Grayscale mode में भी आपकी pictures को appearance देता है and in RGB mode also. A grayscale mode is one in which the only colors are the shades of grey. As we already know, जो the black and white pictures होती हैं, they are always done in grayscale mode. Fine. Now how to start GIMP? कैसे start करेंगे? Let's see how it is started. As I have just clicked on start button, then here you can see GIMP2, or you can type GIMP. If it is installed in your system, it will open in front of you. As you can see, it's opening. Yes, it has opened. I'm just making it little smaller. Got it? Yes. Now it's the window of GIMP. The GIMP opens in multi-window mode. ध्यान से सुनेंगे. As you can see here, 3 different windows are there. एक window हमारी ये है, मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको move करके. Got it? Another second window, this one, right? And third one is this one. Means GIMP opens in multi-window mode, right? Here this is your image window. Here if you open any of the window, here the image will open. This is the right panel, right? And this is the left panel. In left panel we have different toolbox. Clear? There are 2 panels already I have shown you. The toolbox panel, got it? And we can change to single window mode by selecting windows and then single window mode. Already we are there in single window mode. Got it? Look, automatically these all are adjusted here. Got it? I am coming back to the previous one. This is our, making it little larger so that it will be visible to you in a more better way. Done? Now what we have done till now, only the intro we have done. Here the image will be displayed. This is your left panel with the toolbox and various other options. This is your right panel with layers and patterns. Fine. Now let's have the small intro. The top bar is called title bar. What it is called? Title bar. At the bottom of the title bar there is menu bar, where various menus are there. File, edit, select, view, all these menus are there. Fine. Here you can see different tools are there. हम जिस भी tool को देखना चाहते हैं, just take your mouse pointer there. You can see rectangle select tool, ellipse select tool, free select tool. तो आपने क्या करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सारे टूल्स के नाम आपने देखने एक बार. राइट? पेंट ब्रश टूल, राइट, क्लोन टूल, bucket fill tool, all these tools, the names of them can be known by taking your mouse pointer on them. Right? Now here the different tool option, जिस भी tool पे click करेंगे, the properties related to that tool will open here. Like मैंने अभी pencil tool पे click किया, तो here all the properties of pencil tool. Like here I am clicking on bucket tool. Like I have clicked on eraser tool, then the properties of eraser tool has opened. Got it? I have clicked on airbrush tool, तो properties of airbrush tool. Airbrush को मोटा करना है, छोटा करना है, dark करना है, dense करना है, all those properties can be changed from here. जिस भी tool पे click करेंगे, the properties related to that tool will appear here. Right? Now here the dockable panel. Dockable panel for gradients and brushes, different types of brushes if we want, just click here. अलग अलग टाइप के ब्रश आपको दिखेंगे, जो भी आपको अपनी पेंटिंग में यूज करना है. पैटर्न्स, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पैटर्न्स विल अपीयर हेयर. बैकग्राउंड में कोई पैटर्न लेना है आपने. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रेडियंट्स, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. फाइन. दैट यू वांट टू टेक, दैट कैन बी टेकन फ्रॉम हियर. आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर टू एवरीवन. चलिए next one, working with menus. Menus already I have shown you. This is the menu bar. Here the first bar is file menu, right? Then edit, select, view, image. In the file menu you can see different options are available. New, create, open, open as layer, open location, all these options are here. Now let's learn how to create a new file. हम पहला काम करने जा रहे हैं अब जीनो में, है ना? जीनो इमेज मैनिपुलेशन प्रोग्राम, that is GIMP. Now our first question, first thing what we are going to do is creating a new file. How to create a new file? Go to file, file menu, then here you can see new, click on new, right? Here you will see this dialog box, create a new image. Here आपने, if you want to create a bigger image, then increase the width or height. As per your choice, you can increase or decrease the height and width of the area of your image. Fine. As per the area of the image, you can see pixel of the image is also changing. ठीक है, जितना बड़ी आप यहाँ से इमेज साइज करेंगे, as the pixels of your image will be increasing or decreasing, right? This is how we can decide from here. Then here just click on OK. I am clicking on OK. You can see the area for creating the image has appeared. This is how we can open a new file, or we can create a new file using the tools or using the brushes. We can draw whatever we want. Now here next is opening an existing file. How we can open an already available file? First of all, let's know, अभी हमने new file open की थी. In the new file there was advanced option. हमने ये किया नहीं है ना. In the advanced option we can decide that whether we want RGB color scale और ग्रे स्केल. हम कलर्ड इमेज लेंगे या ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वाली इमेज लेंगे. फाइन, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन आवर चॉइस. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है यू कैन चूज फ्रॉम हियर. फाइन, एंड you can choose that you want to fill with background color or foreground color. All that we can decide and just click on OK. Right? Here you can see, पहले मैंने ये इमेज खोली थी. Now this image is there. Means in single window we can work on many windows. समझ में आया? It is multi window software. तो here you can see, इसमें अगर काम करना है तो ये जो रूलर आपको दिख रहा है, दिस इज द रूलर फॉर दिस इमेज. फाइन. और सेकेंड इमेज मेरी कहाँ गई? दैट इज मिनिमाइज्ड. वो नीचे मिनिमाइज हो गई है, ये रही. दिस इज द सेकेंड इमेज एंड दिस इज द मेन्यू बार फॉर दिस इमेज ओनली. फाइन, इस इमेज का मेन्यू बार है ये. दिस रूलर इज फॉर दिस इमेज. मीन्स एट सिंगल टाइम वी कैन वर्क ऑन मोर देन वन images. Now next let us close it. Close without saving. हाँ जी. Now here you can see opening an existing file. Already कोई file है मेरे पास. I want to open that. What to do? चलिए, for opening an existing file, go to file menu, then click on open. Right? I have clicked on open. Then here you can see the places or locations of files saved in our system. Suppose on desktop I have an image. Here this is the image. Fine. Click on the image which you want to open and click on open. When you click on open, after that the same image will be opening here. You can see खुल गई है image. Right? This is the image which I have opened here. Let me make it little smaller. ये बड़ी image है. You can see the width and height of the image is larger. That's why it's like this. Okay, this is the image. How we can open an already available image here and we can make changes in it. Fine. Next is open location. Open location means if we have let me open it again. Both the things I have opened here. Now for opening it, go to file, go to open. Here you can see open location. Right? Here if we have a path for any image which is available on internet, or we have seen the link for that image or the URL for that image is with us, that URL we can mention here, we can paste here and click on open. That image will open here. Got it? Means any image which is available on internet, which is online available, that address of the image, or you can say the link of the image or URL of the image, that you can copy here, paste here and click on open. Then that will be opening here. Fine. Next is open recent options. Recent means those options which we have just opened, right? कैसे देखते हैं? You can see that here in 2 or 3 windows it's available. For opening recents, go to file and click on open recent. Here you will see those images which recently you have opened here. If we want to open any of the image, then you can click on that. Suppose I want to open the recent image which I have opened, then click on that and that image will open here, right? Then let me close it. जो भी extra हमने खोला है, that I am closing, right? Now next one is saving a file. How you can save a file? Let's see. For saving a file, click on file menu. Again you will see here save. Click on save. After clicking on save, go to the desired location where you want to save your file. Then type the name of your file, whatever the name you want to give to your image. Suppose I want to give pic1, right? pic1. This extension is automatically coming with it. By default, GIMP images are saved with XCF extension. Okay, it's the default extension of GIMP is XCF. Then just click on save. The image will be saved with the same name. You can see the name has come here, that is pic1. Got it? Now saving a file with different format. Format means अभी हमने ये image save की, but the extension of this image is XCF. But I want to save this image in JPG format. Then what to do? क्या करें? चलिए, let's do it. Go to file and click on export. Right? Now select the picture which you want to export or for which you want to update the extensions. I want to update for this. Then here just change the extension. Suppose I want to do it in JPG format. Okay, I have changed from XCF to JPG and click on export. Right? When you click on export, just export पे click किया, the same image will be exported on the location which you have decided. We have taken the desktop, so on the desktop the same image will be exported in. That's it for now. Now you have to do the practice of the tools which we have discussed. Thank you. Take care.